Now let us learn about how to convert percentage into fraction or decimal. So for this we have to remember two important points. First point is we have to remove the percentage symbol, and the second point is we have to divide by 100. Okay. So what is going on here? Let me see. Let me tell you. In the first column, here I have made two columns, fractions, decimals. Okay, I have suppose 75% here. Okay, this is the percentage which I have got, and I want to change it into fractions. I will write here, and when I have to change it into decimals, I will write it here. Okay, so 75% equal to, what we have to do first, you have to remove the percentage symbol and divide it by 100. So 75 by 100 is what that you are going to write here. So 75 by 100 we have written. Now we can convert it into a simplest form or lowest form. So for that what we will do, we have to divide, or we have to cancel out the numerator and denominator by a common factor. So common factor will be 25. 25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100. So we got here answer as 3 by 4. So this is how we have converted 75% to its fractional form. Now we have to convert it into decimal form. So 75% equal to, the same process we will do. We will remove the percentage and will divide by 100. So what we will get? We will get it as 75 by 100. Now what we are going to do? We will convert it into a decimal, because any fraction where you have got the denominator as 10, 100, 1000, you can easily convert it into decimal by counting the number of zeros. Here the number of zeros is 2 in 100. So we have to put a point by counting 2 digits from the right hand side. Okay. So we write 75 here from right hand side, means we will count 2 digits, 5, 7, 2 digits over, and then we will place the point here. So your answer is 0.75. Now suppose I will take another one, let it be as 47%. 47%, how we are going to do? It will be 47 by 100. Can you convert 47 by 100 into its lowest term? It's not possible, not divisible. So let it be as it is, 47 by 100. Now we will convert it into decimal form. 47%, if you will convert it into decimal form, then how it will become? It will become 47 by 100, that is equal to, same way you convert into decimal, that is 0.47. So this is your answer. Now let me take a decimal number as percentage. Suppose my question is, suppose I have a question here in challenge. You have to convert 96.71% to decimal. Let me do that. So 96.71%. I have to convert it into fraction and then decimal. How will I do it? Equal to 96.71. For this percentage we will remove the percentage and we will divide by 100. So it will become like this. Now what we will do? How we will convert? How we will solve it further? What we are going to do is, because we know that 96.71 can be further converted into a fraction. Okay, so 9671 by 100 is what you will get for this. Okay, so 9671 by 100 and another by 100 that you have wrote for percentage. So what it will become? For that you have to divide it by 100, or let me tell you one more way. (96.71%). You first convert this 96.71 into fraction. So what it will become? 9671 by 100%. So you already got the fractional form percent you have got. Now what we will do? We have to convert this into what we have to convert. We have to convert only into fractions. Still it is in percentage symbol is there. So what we have to do? We have to remove the percentage symbol and we have to divide it by 100. So what we will do here? 9671 by 100. We will, I don't have space here, I'll write below. Just a moment. (9671 by 100). We will divide it by 100. So that is equal to 9671 by 100 into reciprocal of 100. So into 1 by 100 is what you are going to get. So that is equal to, further when we solve, 9671 into 1, 9671 by 100 into 100 becomes 10,000. So mention 4 zeros here. So this is your final answer. 96.71%. When we are converting into fraction, it will be 9671 by 10,000. Now we have to convert it into decimal. The same thing. How we will do? 96.71% equal to, what we will do? We will not convert this 96.71 into fraction. No need. Why? Because we have to convert it to decimal. So let it be in decimal in this way. Only for percentage you change it into by 100 form. Okay. So this means what it is? 96.71. We have removed this percentage and we will write by 100 here. Now what you will see, when you have dividing this by 100 means the point will shift 2 places towards the left side. Means somewhere here. So our answer will be 0.9671.